What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to set a password for your Windows 11 user account. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up your Windows settings by searching for Settings in your Start menu search. On this window, head to the Account tab. Select the Sign In option and then, under Ways to sign in, proceed to find the Password section. If you can't locate the Password section, there's no need to worry. Under Additional Settings, toggle the For Improved Security, Only Allow Windows Hello Sign-In for Microsoft Accounts on this device option off. With that done, click on the Accounts tab again. Select the Sign In option and then you'll be able to locate the Password section under Ways to Sign In. Click to expand the Password section and you will see the Add option to set up your password if you have not set it up before. If you already use a password and wish to update it, you will see the Change button instead. As before, click Change to set up a new password on your Windows PC. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.